3 pounds of Yukon Gold potatoes, quartered. Now I've got 1 pound of trimmed green beans, and I'm gonna come in with some diced onion. And of course you can dice your own. I just didn't feel like crying today, so I bought some diced at the store already, and I'm gonna add about half of 1 onion. Now I've got my smoked turkey sausage. We're going with the turkey because I wanted to do something a little bit healthier today. This is such a delicious recipe. It's a crowd pleaser. You cannot go wrong. Your husband will absolutely love this. Your kids will love it. It's a favorite of everyone's. And you can use regular beef smoked sausage if you like, or the andouille sausage. I just wanted to use a turkey smoked sausage today to cut down on the fat. All right, now that I've got everything in my crock pot, I'm just gonna add in some oil. You can do olive oil, coconut oil, whatever kind you like, just a drizzle. Now I'm coming in with my Cajun seasoning, and you can go lighter on this if you like, but I'm gonna add in about 2 tablespoons. I do some fresh ground black pepper, just grinding it right from my little mill here. A touch of salt, just about a teaspoon. All right, now I'm using some onion soup mix, and we're just gonna get this all in here. Ooh, that looks so good. Those dried onions, so yummy. Now I'm gonna come in with just about a teaspoon to a tablespoon of garlic, depending on how garlicky you like it. And now I've got 1 stick or half a cup of butter. Alrighty, I'm just gonna put my lid on my crock pot, and I'm gonna put this on high for 3 hours. Alrighty, y'all, this has been going for about an hour on high, and as you can see, our butter has melted down completely. So I'm just gonna give this a good stir because we wanna make sure all that seasoning, our onion soup mix, along with our Cajun seasoning, is all covering these potatoes and sausage and green beans evenly. Look at this. And Jen was worried that there wasn't enough liquid in here, but with that oil and butter, I think this is just cooking up absolutely perfectly. Okay, I'm gonna put my lid back on, and we're gonna let this go 2 more hours on high. Alrighty, y'all. We let our potatoes go about 3.5 hours here. They are super tender. Oh my goodness, look at this. Let's give this just a good stir. Oh, the green beans are falling apart a little bit because I left this on a little long, but you know what, y'all? This is gonna be delicious. It smells incredible. I wish you could smell this in here. Ooh, look at that. I'm just gonna top this, y'all, with a little bit of parsley. Look at that. Now it's a salad. It's green. Grab myself a bite of these swamp potatoes. And y'all, they have roots in the deep south. They look like a swamp at low tide, I guess. And that Cajun seasoning. Oh my gosh, this is good. Swamp potatoes, y'all. You gotta try them.